Cape Fear Academy families. I'm Melissa Blackman, Cape Fear's Director of Advancement. I'm joined today by Mary Lyons-Rouse. She's the Assistant Director of Advancement, and CFA Parent Volunteer Jessica Edwards. She's our Procurement Chair for this year's Together Again auction. We're getting extremely excited about the biennial event. It's coming up in just a few weeks, April 21st at 6:30 at the Surf Club in Wrightsville Beach. Mary Lyons, would you tell us a little bit more about this year's auction?
Absolutely, and thank you, Melissa. We are super excited that the auction is not to be missed this year. Hopefully you've seen all of the signage around campus, the social media posts, the pickup line volunteers that were there on Monday, really encouraging ticket sales. You also have noticed and will notice over the next few weeks our QR code auction signage all around campus in places such as the Welcome Center, sporting events, and other school attended events. Tickets to the auction are on sale now for $150. They include an open bar and heavy hors d'oeuvres. They will go up on April 6th, so this is a reminder to purchase your tickets now. Also remember that you get your 50/50 raffle tickets that are on sale now when you have a chance to win up to $10,000. Who wouldn't want a chance to do that? It's $100 a piece for one ticket. However, if you purchase 5 tickets, you only pay $400.
Woo! Awesome. Thanks, Mary Lyons. Jessica, are you able to give us a look at any of the amazing items in this year's auction?
Ooh, well, Melissa, I sure can. I'm just not able to share too much until April 14th, which is when we release all of the wonderful silent auction items. I will say that, like in years past, we have some extremely creative artwork being created by our lower school students that will be auctioned off. Middle school is helping with some really awesome water experiences, and upper school is helping stock the ever popular wine wall and beach cruiser packages. I will also add that the special CFA experiences will be available as well, and those are always a hit.
Awesome. Thanks, Jessica. I guess we'll have to wait till April 14th to see all these awesome experiences up for the auction. One very important thing to remember, the attire for this evening, it's Coastal Cocktail. So that is full of color, and of course the coastal theme. A good hint, I learned that you can Google Coastal Cocktail and you'll find lots of really cool ideas. It is actually a thing. Good point, Jessica. Gentlemen, no need to wear that tie, but maybe a sports coat, button-up shirt will fit in nicely. Shockingly, that's our #1 question right now is what to wear. Well, everyone, thank you so much for being here. We're really excited about...
Wait. Real quick. Jessica, Melissa.
Yes.
Thinking, y'all want to go in and on a 50/50 raffle ticket, groups are doing that.
Oh,
So they're
that.
splitting
Yes.
it, and they're splitting the raffle tail wins. Does anybody have their phone? We can quickly do a QR, split it, and split the funds.
Yes.
All right, let's do that. All
I
right,
think we should do the 5 for $400.
Yes.
done. Have a great weekend.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you.